level 81 to 100. Level 81, the boxer on the left should win. That's a blue boxer. Let's see what happens when we click on fight. So he is losing every time. So let's power him up by using this and putting it under his glove. And let's see what happens when he fights. That's a hard punch. Level 82, make this equation correct. X divided by y is equal to 4. So use the 8 and 2 from level 82. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Level 83, please stop this fight. So they are fighting over cookie. So let's divide it into 2 by pressing it apart with both our fingers. And both of them are happy. Level 84, how many letters are left in E if E and T leave the alphabet? So if E and T leave the word alphabet, that's A, L, P, H, A, B left. That is 6 letters. Level 85, show me your patience. So just don't do anything. Let the time pass. Don't be tempted to click and you will clear the level. Level 86, birdie has overslept. Try shaking the tree. So if you shake your device to shake the tree, the branch will also come off and the birdie will fall. So just hold the branch with one finger and then shake your device. Okay, let's try again. Hold with your fingers very tightly. We clear the level. Level 87, find the mistake here. So the mistake is that there is no dot above the I in the question or in the word mistake itself. So that's the mistake. So click on it. Level 88, who wins the battle? So drag the 100 from the knights and win the battle. Level 89, let the cat in, please, it is freezing outside. So flip your device onto the left so that the door opens and then drag the cat inside. Level 90, please turn on all the lights. Let's see what happens when we press on all the buttons. On the first one bulb is lightning. On the second one, on the third nothing. On the fourth, 2 bulbs. So let's drag this bulb outside the screen so that we fulfill all the criteria in the question. Level 91, complete the leap please. So the word level is not written completely. So use the level, use the L from the level above and complete the level. Level 92, click on the blue button 6 times. Let's start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's turned red. So let's find. Okay, so we have the blue button hidden beneath the red. Click on it 2 more times and clear the level. Level 93, 10 is equal to 25 and so on and so forth. So what is 25 equal to? So if 10 is equal to 25, 25 is equal to 10. Level 94, she wants an ice cream too. So let's use his hat or the cap as the cone and use her hair as cream and give her the ice cream. Level 95, they say curiosity kills the cat, but can you kill it as well? So use the word curiosity from the question itself and use it to kill it. I'm so sorry. Level 96, I want some mayo. So turn your device upside down to flip the mayo bottle and then shake your device. Yes, and you have your mayo fries. Level 97, help me catch the rabbit. So use this trap, bring it near the carrots, then open the carrot box to lure the rabbit and then trap it. Level 98, the baby is crying again. I suspect she is gassy. So just with your finger rub onto her stomach. Trust me, this is not one of my favorite level. Level 99. My widowed granny has 3 children. They are all married with at least one child. My aunt has 3 nephews. What is the minimum number of chairs we need for the dinner? So the widowed granny is one person. She has 3 children. So that's 3. Total 4. They all are married. So their spouses are 3 more. That is 7 people with at least one child. My aunt has 3 nephews. So all of them have at least one child. And if my aunt has 3 nephews and she also has one child, making total of 4 children. So that is 7 plus 4, 11 number of people. Level 100. What is a cat's child called? So that's cat. So click on the word cat in the question itself.